Hey there! Thanks for stopping by manlybands.com to check out some of our wonderful finger arrangements. I happen to have one here right in front of me, so let's just jump right in and take a look at the Corbett, which comes in this beautiful wood grain box, maybe indicative of things to come. And there's another box inside, and guys, we spare no expense. There's another box inside yet still, but before we get to that, here's this welcome card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Inside, it's filled with a bunch of words, and within those words, compliments, customer service information, and also some beautiful pictures about what to do with your ring once you get it, mostly in terms of social media. So get your ring, take a picture of it, tag us, tag yourself, and do you tag yourself? Nah, just tag us. That'll work. Inside, there we have the Corbett. The Corbett is black zirconium with a 5mm inlay of mossy oak camo. Comes in at 8mm wide and has a flat stepped design. Perfect for the hunter or the camo fan. Now I gotta tell you, I wore this into the woods with nothing else and it felt completely invisible. Not really. I mean, I thought it was gonna work like Frodo's ring, but no, it was just another naked asshole running through the woods. Literally. Do I realize that Frodo was not naked when he had to become invisible? I do realize that. But here's something you may not realize. Every purchase comes with one of these, our black silicone band. Perfect whether you're naked or not. That's the beauty of it. It works in pretty much every situation. Inside also, we have some special promotional offers of people that we like to partner with that we think will bring you great deals because we like good deals and we want to pass those on to you. So, thanks for stopping by manlybands.com and checking out the Corbett.